Welcome back, fans. Here we are with another useful video. In this video, I will show you the fastest way to share a folder on your computer so you can access your files from another computer or even your iPhone. This topic is super comprehensive and has many configurations and details. However, I will show you the easiest way to share your files on your network. This tutorial is on Windows 10. So if you need to learn how to do this on other version of Windows, let me know in the comment below. I'm gonna use this computer, which is Windows 10, to share my folder, and I have another computer on this network which has Windows 7 installed on it, and I'm gonna use that one to access to my shared folder. Alright, let's see how we can do this. On your computer, you want to go ahead and click on this network icon on your taskbar. If you are connected to a Wi-Fi network, yours gonna look like this. So go ahead and click on it and you will see this page. Go ahead and click on network and internet setting. From here, you want to click on change adapter options. Over here, you will see all the adapters you have on your computer. You might have Wi-Fi connection, a Bluetooth adapter, or any other kind of adapters you might have. Go ahead and right click on the adapter that you are using to connect to the network and click on status. From here, go ahead and click on details. In this window, you will see all the information related to your network card, such as IP address, subnet mask, and DNSs. We will need these information later, so we want to go ahead and hit Ctrl C on this window. And then you want to go ahead and click on Start and search for Notepad. Go ahead and click on it, and then over here right click on Notepad and hit Paste. You will see all the details will get to the notepad. Then you can simply close the connection details. On this connection windows, go ahead and click on properties. And on this window, you want to go ahead and click on Internet Protocol version 4. Go ahead and click on properties. The IP address section is your unique IP address on this network. It has to be unique, which means you cannot use the same IP address on any other devices on this network. So that one has to be unique. The next option is subnet mask. If you go ahead and click on subnet mask, it's gonna generate the subnet mask automatically, so you don't have to be worried about it. For default gateway, you want to go ahead and copy the exact same default gateway that you had on the details window, which in this case is 192.168.1.1. We're gonna do the same thing for DNS servers. So we're gonna copy just 2 of them because we only have 2 places to copy DNS servers. So we're gonna go ahead and copy them right over to preferred DNS server and alternative DNS server. So this is the way that we can assign a static IP address to this computer. And the reason we are doing that, because you want your computer to have a static IP address on this network because you're gonna share a folder. So you always want to have a static IP address on a computer that you are using it to share folders or printers. So simply go ahead and click on OK and then hit close, and if you wait for a couple seconds, your internet access is gonna come back, and if you click on details, you will see the IP address that we assigned right over here, which is 192.168.1.150. remember this IP address because we will use it. Go ahead and close all these windows. You can close the notepad if you would like to. You can save it. I'm gonna hit don't save and close the windows. Go ahead and close the other window too. Alright, so now we are going to share a folder. First I'm gonna create a folder and I'm gonna name it to shared folder. I'm gonna hit enter and then I'm gonna go ahead and right click on this folder and I'm gonna go to give access to option and then I'm gonna hit specific people. From here you want to click on this Dropbox button and hit everyone. If you would like to give access to other user, you can simply add another user and then click add. From here you want to click on read and write option for the user that we just added, which is everyone in this case. You want to go ahead and hit share and says the shared folder, the address, and then click done. If you open the shared folder, obviously we're not going to have anything inside it, so it's empty, and down here at the bottom you will see the status says shared, which means this folder is being shared on this network. Alright, so the next thing that we're gonna do, we want to make sure the user has password. Alright, to do that, go ahead and click on start button. And from there, go ahead and click on this user icon and select change account setting. From here, you want to click on sign in option and then click on password. Click on add and simply go ahead and create a new password for this user. I'm gonna enter 1234 just to be simple. I'm gonna repeat it one more time and just type in a hint for yourself and then hit next. The username we have is called test. It's all lowercase. Go ahead and click finish and then you can simply close this setting window. Okay, the next thing we want to do is we want to make sure the password option for this network is on. To do that, go ahead and again click on your network icon and hit network and internet setting. From here, this time you're going to go ahead and click on sharing options. Over here, go ahead and click on all networks and then scroll down and click on turn on password protect sharing. Hit save and change and simply close the window. Alright, I'm gonna switch to the other computer. This is computer 2, and from this computer I'm gonna go ahead and access to the folder that I shared. Go ahead and open a Windows, an Explorer Windows, and type in // and the IP address of the computer that we are sharing a folder, which in this case is 192.168.1.150. It's the IP address that we assigned as a static IP address for the computer that we are sharing a folder from that. Go ahead and hit enter. It might take a little bit time for this Windows to pop up, but it will. Go ahead and type in your username, which is test in this case, and then your password, which is 1234 in this case, and make sure your username is all lowercase, or if your username is uppercase, go ahead and type in exactly the way it is, and go ahead and simply click on OK, and then there we go. You will see the user that we shared the folder from it. Go ahead and click on the user and then hit test, which was the name of the user. Go ahead and click on desktop, and then shared folder was the folder that we created, and the location of that folder was on the desktop. And as you see, we don't have anything inside this folder because we didn't put anything in it. So I'm gonna switch to computer number 1 and put some file inside this shared folder. I'm gonna go ahead and open this folder that is shared, and I'm gonna go ahead and create a text document. I'm gonna name it test note. Then let's type some text in it. I'm gonna type network test. Go ahead and close it and hit save. Okay, let's switch to the computer number 2, and as you see, this time we have the document over here which says network test. That's all for this video. I will make another video to show you how to access this folder on your iPhone, or even copy your pictures into this folder through your Wi-Fi network connection. As I mentioned earlier, this topic has so many small details and configurations. If you feel like you need more assistance on this topic, I'm available on Wyzant. It's an online tutoring platform that you can book one-on-one session with me. I will provide my link in the description below. By the way, you will receive credit for using my referral link. It also helps me. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and make sure you share it with your friends if you think it will help them. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.